Yeah, so when you think about scaling a digital asset business, there had always been a compromise between security and scaling operations, right? One of the biggest things that limits growth is the idea that you would have people having to manually, operate the system. And as you grew in terms of customers, you had to also grow in terms of headcount. And so when you think about scaling, what is a critical factor is really how you start to automate the operations and workflows from a governance perspective behind your digital asset businesses. How can you increase the level of API automation in your system with the right level of interventions for people to come in and make sure the system isn't being abused from a malicious perspective? And I think then as you think about the workflows that people are generally involved in, it becomes technology enables a making of the process and then people enable a checking of the process. And that's what you really see a lot of customers do here at Fireblocks. We have some customers that have over 1 million wallets on the Fireblocks platform, and they really would not be able to enable that type of scale if it was just based off of human intervention and human and manual operations. So they had to really understand how folks were utilizing our systems, what were the kind of rules that they needed to put in place from a governance perspective, and then how they started to then automate those systems and flows using the robust set of APIs that we have at Fireblocks. So I think, once you're able to manage that intersection between security and operations, then you can start to think about, how you then start automating these processes to therefore give you scale.